It's not easy to corner a coyote. You see those up in our hills here all the time.
Sure, but in New York City?
Yeah, how did it get there?
Wow. Hey, you know, we've got some clouds, had a lot of wind. There's dust in the air, dust in the wind, as Kansas said in that song. So that's what we're dealing with is some Goya, though. Some really interesting weather in parts of China. This has been a real problem. A town of 40,000 people is completely snowed in, waist-deep snow. It's in the province of Xinjiang, which is in the northwest side of China, up towards Mongolia and way up to the northwest. Look at all of that snow. And then you have to wonder, is it really global warming or is it cold? I mean, there is an awful lot of crazy weather going on. Here's what it looks like on the weather web. We are looking at 48 degrees in Price, looking towards the southwest out of Castledale. Thick layer of clouds out there. This storm system has a canopy of clouds that covers the entire state of Utah. And we are just beginning to see this storm develop because by tonight and tomorrow across the central part of the state, the front that went through here about noon, it's going to stall. And as the jet stream moves over the top of it, serious snow is going to develop across the Tavaputs and also the Book Cliffs and the Wasatch Plateau. So 8 to 15 inches of snow, and that would include Salina Canyon, I-70 near the San Rafael Swell. Even Price could be vulnerable to some of this snow. Right now, temperatures are too warm for snow, but colder air is coming in. 55 in Salt Lake, 54 in Cedar City, 64 in St. George. But notice how much of the area is covered by clouds. Now, there are a couple of disturbances, we call them. They're upper air little pieces of energy as they move south and interact with this cold front. As this front moves in and interacts with this cold front, it will be the developing area across central Utah where significant snow is going to fall in those higher mountains. You can see it right here. There's the low from the La Salle Mountains and the Bajos over towards north of the Henrys, Thousand Lake Mountain, Boulder Mountain over towards Bryan Head. Those areas will be in a pretty good chance for seeing some fairly significant snow. But by Saturday, this storm pulls away and the ridge of high pressure comes in. So let's focus on the zones that are rain and snow around Moab, snow in Price, some snow in Richfield, snow in Cedar City. Yes, you could see some accumulations. Cache Valley, snow showers. But by the middle of the week, how about the warmest days of the year? The other thing I want you to notice is by the end of the week, more showers coming in. So at least we have several very nice days beginning Saturday, continuing Sunday into Monday. Price and Castle Country expect some snow tomorrow. And over US 6 and 191 and up over the canyons, there are going to be some very slick roads. In the basin, up 191 going towards Flaming Gorge. Yes, you'll have some snow. Doesn't look like it's going to be a big storm for the basin because most of it will be south of Vernal, south of Roosevelt. The southeastern part of the state, scattered rain showers, 53 tomorrow, then 56 on Saturday. How about some mid-60s Monday and Tuesday? Boy, I could just throw the ATV on and go down there for some ATV riding early next week. Beautiful weather. Same thing for Cedar City. You got that snow tomorrow. Then you're back up to the 60s on Monday. And the old adage, wait 5 minutes or drive 5 miles in Utah. That's very true during March. A few showers tomorrow, 76 by Monday, warmest days of the year. And for the Wasatch Front, I don't expect much in the way of accumulation. The bench areas, yeah, maybe a little dusting of snow. About 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of rain. So if you want to throw some fertilizer down, might be a good time to do that. Saturday 50, Sunday 58, Monday the warmest day of the year. And then the end of the week, more showers, which we should see in March.
It's spring.
Nothing unusual about that.
Right.
Plus, it's the conference weekend coming up, and it's going to rain.
Bound to rain then.
Yeah.